Hello guys, welcome back again, and today we will discuss about the opening and closing of stomata. So this is the plant physiology topic, and in this topic we will discuss the detailed mechanism of opening and closing of your stomata and the structure of stomata. I have already talked about this. If you haven't seen that video, first of all go and watch that video first, because if you don't understand the structure of a stomata, then you can't follow the whole mechanism of opening and closing of the stomata. So this is the best modern theory about this mechanism, and it is the most eminent theory about opening and closing of a stomata, and it is given by the Leavitt scientist, and this theory we call it active proton transport mechanism. So as you can see, I have diagrammed a guard cell. As you can see, outside the guard cell one subsidiary cell is also found. So as you can see, I have discussed or diagrammed all the mechanism is happening in the guard cell. First of all, your guard cell will synthesize a carbohydrate will be converted into phosphoenol pyruvate. This is 3 carbon compound. Okay, in the presence of peptidase enzyme and CO2 atom, it will convert into oxaloacetic acid, and this compound is having 4 carbon compound. Okay, and after some time oxaloacetic acid will also convert into malic acid, and malic acid will be degraded into these ion, malatine and H plus ion. Okay, now this is the most step of your whole mechanism. What will happen? Your H plus ion will be transported through guard cell into subsidiary cell with the help of energy currency, that is ATP. Okay, with the help of ATP energy currency, your H plus ion will be transported into subsidiary cells, and K plus ion will be inverted input, okay, inside of your guard cell. Okay, as you can see, H plus ion will be outside and K plus ion will be incoming in the guard cell. In the presence of K plus ion, malatine will be converted into potassium malate, and this compound will increase your osmotic pressure in guard cell. And when the osmotic pressure will be increasing, there will be the process we can call it endoosmosis, and your water molecule will be coming through in your guard cell. Okay, and this incoming of water molecule will initiate your guard cell turgid process, and this process will opening your stomata. Okay, this whole process is opening your stomata. Okay, H plus ion will be outcoming while K plus ion will be incoming in our guard cell. And what will happen when stomata is closing? In the night what will happen? pH will be low, and pH will be low, and this whole process will be back toward to carbohydrate. What will happen? Your H plus ion will be incoming in the night from subsidiary to guard cell, while K plus ion will be outcoming from guard cell to subsidiary cell. So this whole process will be inverted, while malatine or H plus ion will be again converted into malic acid. Malic acid will be again converted into oxaloacetic acid, oxaloacetic phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and your carbohydrate will be again synthesized. So this is the whole invert process of your stomatal opening, and this is given by your Leavitt scientist. We can call it active proton transport mechanism. As you can see, what happened in the opening of stomata and what happened in the closing of stomata. So you don't need to confuse between of two. Okay, so I hope guys you will get it. If you have any problem, then comment down below. Thanks.